Hi, it's Bernadette.
I'm Hannah.
So it's January 10th and I'm already out of salad dressing. All we have left is Hannah's ranch dressing, which I think she'd murder me if I ate it.
How
What?
dare you?
I don't eat ranch dressing anyway. When I was in Europe, they don't really have like bottled salad dressing unless it's like American days at the grocery store, then you could get like ranch dressing.
I ate his liver with some fava beans and a nice Chianti.
The bottled salad dressing wasn't really a thing because over there you make the dressing to go with the salad. So I was always making my own dressing. I'm making two salad dressings today, my honey mustard dressing and honey balsamic dressing. If I can find where I got these recipes from, I'll link it in the description below because I remember I got them online in the first place. We're gonna start with the honey mustard dressing. It's a 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a 1/4 cup of honey, a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1½ teaspoons of kosher salt, and a 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So you mix everything together except the oil and then you whisk in the oil. And that's the same with both salad dressings. You mix everything together but the oil, then you whisk in the oil. Because there's honey, it's easier to measure with a scale with honey than to put honey into a measuring cup. 15 grams is a tablespoon. What's 15 times 5, Hannah? 15 times
75.
Math magician. There's 75 grams of Dijon mustard. So 60 grams of honey. A 1/4 cup of cider vinegar. So this is a ½ teaspoon, so I'll put in 3 of these. I'm only making a small batch because I'm pretty much the only one who drinks this, or who drinks it, who eats it, because Hannah eats her ranch dressing. So you can use any kind of vegetable oil for this. I'm using avocado oil for this one. 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons. Cup in here. So then you whisk this in here, drizzle it in and whisk away. And you will probably have to shake this up a bit before you use it. I would consume it within 2 weeks. I wouldn't leave it in your fridge forever. And also with both of these, especially if you use olive oil, you need to take it out of the fridge a little while before you're going to use it because it solidifies a little bit. Usually the balsamic one solidifies quite a bit. This one only solidifies a tiny bit. Stick it in a jam jar. Whoops. Alright, there's the honey mustard dressing. It's not very sweet, so if you're looking for something that tastes like what you buy in the grocery store for honey mustard dressing, this ain't it. This is not a sweet, sugary dressing that tastes like you're putting candy syrup on your salad. That is a wholesome dressing. So the honey balsamic dressing, it is a 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, a ½ teaspoon of black pepper, and ½ cup of extra virgin olive oil. We're starting with a 1/4 cup of balsamic. And we're going to have 2 tablespoons of honey. So 2 teaspoons of Dijon. ½ teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, now we're going to whisk that all together. And it's going to be ½ cup of extra virgin olive oil. Drizzle it in there, just like with the other one. There's your honey balsamic dressing. So there, now I didn't go to the store and I have 2 dressings now that feels like they're free because I didn't buy anything. I just used up what I had in the house for my no-buy year. There's my no-buy 2 choices of dressings. And I am happy about it because they're better for me. They don't have bad ingredients in them that like additives and fillers and preservatives, and I just have to make sure to eat them up.
Hi, I'm Mr. Peanut. I'm a subscription noodle. Each like, share, or subscribe buys me 1 mouse. I love you.